In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture in Gumroad. If you want to personalize your Gumroad profile and make your creator page look more complete, adding a profile picture is a simple but important update. A clear profile image can help your audience recognize your brand and make your page feel more professional and trustworthy. To get started, open your Gumroad dashboard and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Profile. This will take you to the section where you can manage your public profile details. Once you're on the profile page, find the profile picture area. If there is already an image there, you'll first need to remove it before adding a new one. To do that, click the delete icon in the profile picture section. This clears the current image and prepares the space for the new one you want to upload. After that, click on Upload. This opens the option to choose a new image file from your computer. When the file browser appears, browse through your folders and select the image you want to use as your profile picture. Then click Open. It's a good idea to choose an image that is clear, centered, and easy to recognize, especially since profile pictures are often displayed at a small size. Once you've selected the image, click Upload again to send the file to Gumroad. At this stage, give it a moment if needed, especially if the image file is large or your internet connection is a bit slow. You should be able to see that the image has been added to the profile picture area. The final step is very important. Click on Update Profile to save the change. If you skip this part, your new profile picture may not be applied, so make sure you confirm the update before leaving the page. And that's it. Your Gumroad profile picture should now be updated and visible on your account. If the image doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page and checking again. In some cases, it may take a moment for the update to display properly. Keeping your profile updated is a small step that can make a big difference in how your page looks to visitors. With just a few clicks, you can give your Gumroad presence a more polished and personal touch.